Plant profile, daffodils. Deer-resistant, sweet-smelling, tough, and long-lasting. Daffodils are a wonderful spring-blooming bulb to add to your garden. Plant them each fall at a depth of about 2 times the bulb size. Then forget all about them until the foliage and flowers emerge the following spring. You can get varieties that bloom in early season, mid-season, and late season. Be sure to check the bulb bag labels and catalog descriptions so you can have flowers all throughout the spring. The only maintenance they ever need is to dig and divide them every 10 years or so if they get too crowded and their flowering starts to slow down. Shown here are some of my favorite varieties. The Tete-a-Tete is a dwarf daffodil that has multiple blooms on a single stem. They are only 6 inches high and are terrific grouped on a slope or alongside a pathway. The February Gold is a classic yellow daffodil that is first to bloom in my garden. I love to cut it and enjoy it inside. One warning, if you bring them in as a cut flower, do not mix them with other blooms as they exude a toxin into the vase water that can cause the other flowers to droop. Another favorite is Ice Follies. It is a classic bicolor daffodil with large flower cups. It ranks 3rd in the top 10 daffodils produced worldwide. Including hybrids, there are over 13,000 distinct daffodil varieties in existence. You are sure to find a few favorites of your own. Daffodils, you can grow that.